ours are Kaplan turbines, as you can see in the video. Ours are horizontal type Kaplan turbines. Okay, so basically through which the water flows and thereby rotating the turbine shaft. Turbine shaft is again connected to runner blades which rotate along with the turbine shaft as the water flows through the turbine. It's like a fan, like you know, when the whenever there is a fan which is exposed to the force of air or force of wind, as the fan starts rotating, just like that, we have a system or an arrangement wherein we have 4 numbers of runner blades in our case, which are connected to the shaft. Okay, this shaft moves through. The shaft moves along with the turbine, throughout the turbine, inside that turbine, and as you can see from there, this is a manhole, okay, from where we can enter inside the turbine during maintenance. And there we have 2 manholes. One is this one more is that one. These 2 manholes are used to enter the turbine during the maintenance work, okay, during the maintenance work, okay. So we have okay, so something called guide vane also, okay, as you can see that photo, okay. This is our guide vane, okay, as you can see that guide vane. This guide vane can be operated through this oil pumping unit, okay. So this is our OPU, oil pumping unit of make you can whose working pressure is 90 bar, system flow is 50 bar, okay. As you can see all these things in detail. These are the servo specifications for RB, for GV, and for brake pad. Okay, for the how much time is required for opening and closing, and this is a stroke length. Stroke length for GV is 700 mm, for RB it is 105 mm, for brake pad it is 30 mm. Correct. This is my correct temperature. 81 oil temperature. Now the pressure is around 80 bar. As you can see, operating pressure is 90 bar, which can be verified with this. Okay, so we have 2 motors. One is 2 induction motors of make Crompton grease, which are coupled to again piston pump. Okay, so with the help of this OPU, we are opening or closing those guide vanes, as you can see, with the help of that ram, with the help of that hydraulic ram. Okay, and those pipelines, these are the pipelines for runner blade. These two. For GV, we have this one and this one, and this one is for brake pad. Okay, so as you can see, generator is